No motor is required.
That's Grandma Cat.
This is Grandma Cat. Hi, Grandma Cat.
I want to use that. Look at this. Come here. Oh my goodness, Jake, look at this.
There you go. For the video. Bang! We are not sponsored by this either. We'd like to be. Please sponsor us, Spalding.
This is classic.
Struggling already. What the hell are you doing?
I'm making doodle.
We're back at the hotel.
Yo, hello? Yo, toast line.
I'm buying
Yeah.
So we bought this pushable lawnmower from Home Depot, and right now we're testing it out. So far it's doing great. No motor is required. Doing its job.
I built it.
She built it. Look at that. Now I don't know how long the blades will last, but I mean so far, I mean it's doing what it's supposed to do. Hey Dickie, look, that's not Murata. This is Grandma Cat. Hi Grandma Cat. Go pet him. See? Alright, look at her go up around.
This is classic.
Struggling already. What the hell are you doing?
Oh,
Mom, your little one like Troy said.
wait. Go back. 5 laps. 5 laps. 5 laps. Oh, look at it!
Go backwards and then go forward again. Like that. Go push. Push.
Oh, so you can't get this pen?
No, I'll do it. I'll finish it.
Itchy.
Where's my apple plants? Where's that thing?
Gotta get all my cookie pads on.
Me too.
Oh, look at you.
Aray. Aray.
Oh, triple ones. So much. Your sword is so deep in. Because you run, that's why.
Go help Daddy, you guys. Help Daddy. Look, you get him. Oh my goodness, Jake, look at this. There you go. Pokey,
Baby ones.
green baby ones?
Yeah.
Ooh, so sore.
Oh, those.
Ow!
Work out.
Who did that? Brandon sat on it.
He doesn't want to bend
Okay, turn. You don't want any more brandy, Hideki? Where's this friend? Ah, the one right there, right there. Right there, the nurse. Baby, did you get me my calamansi?
Want to see a bite? Look, it's stuck. Look.
Oh, yeah. We are not sponsored. No, she said we back that one over there.
Oh yeah!
What the hell?
Oh yeah! Oh!
That's like... Make the bucket for the shot, for the video. Bang! Again! Bang! We are not sponsored by this either. We'd like to be. Please sponsor us, Spalding. Ew!
It's a baby one.
It's a spider. It deserves to die! Ah!
Oh! She said, oh yeah, what?
It's not even going, Hideki! What? Hey!
Put it up here!
Oh, that's too high.
It's perfect! So does it go on your see, look at it. So does it like poke you.
Cut, come on, baby. Tomorrow again. Cut. Raining, baby. Come on. Raining. No, tomorrow you guys gonna get sick. No.
Come on.
Kuya, enough.
It
You're
stopped.
gonna get sick.
It stopped already. I don't feel anything. Okay, come.
Come on. Tomorrow again.
Stay here. Stay here. Sorry. It's not lupus.
No. Come on. Kuya! Aray. I'm full. I ate too much.
A lot of views then? Huh? Like a lot of views? Look at this. Yeah.
Sir!
Come on.
How about me?
Take
No,
a selfie
me?
style. We didn't do anything.
Go back. No, right here. Right, Kuya. The front yard, it's so... Hideki, you're too far away. Come here. Are we done? Kuya and Manang Katrina, they're done already. Watch out, you guys' eyes. Look. Eyes, baby.
See eyes?
Eyes, Brandon Hideki.
See eyes?
I know! That's the lazy way to do it, look. No. Okay, put it away. We're done. Put it away. We're done. What? You still want to do it? Huh? Okay. Huh? Yeah? Kuya, Katrina, baby, how you gonna clean this one? Oh, my friend.
Who's your friend?
Yeah. How you clean it up?
Oh my god, it's